You speak confidentially. You speak House of Modern English.
Assalamualaikum to all of you. Beginning with the holy and glorious of Allah, who is the King of Kings. And then I want to really pay thanks to my master and my parents and my number one master, Sir Sayyid Shah Khan. Today the topic which is being presented by me like AI is taken over. So if I talk about the actual meaning of this topic, AI is taken over. Yes, of course, AI is taken over. If we see about nowadays situation about AI, what is AI? AI is all technology. If I talk about AI is nowadays too much famous in all over the world, especially in Pakistan, especially in everybody is up there. AI is too much famous. But a time will come, it will lead us toward destination. All technology will lead us toward it. Because if I talk about before the situation, before the area, before the time when the people were there, he was so much strong. He was having too much knowledge. He was having too much power inside of them. But nowadays we see about AI people. AI is what they are doing, students what they are doing, and the people are doing, and the generation are doing. They are inspired from the AI. They are inspired from technologies. They have become everything what they did. But the question is not we have become inspired from the technology. The question is not that we become inspired from the AI. The question is that who is making the AI? Who is making? Humans are making the AI. Humans are making the AI. So we should not inspire from them. We should the one who is making them. Especially in the main people are there. They are using AI. They are making the for this season that my work will be easy for me. That my work will be if they are who get homework in the school or whatever. They say my homework will be like easy for me. I will do by easy like that. But in that time, you don't think that if I did a use. Today in present if I use AI, so what I will do in future, because today problem is not as much bigger. In the future when you will come, its problem passing is too much hard. It is too much big because if you don't face today tough time, so tomorrow you can't face a tough time. If today don't face a problem, so tomorrow you will not face. If you are passing problem each other, so you will be the tough time. And if the problem is coming in front of you and you are coming and you are going backside and run away from them, from that time understand you are not able to do it. That time believe yourself. Whatever I am coming in my life, I have to do. I am the man. I am the human because my work is to do hard work. My work to be honest with myself. My work to be honest with my one, and my work to be honest with my well-wisher. Thank you so much.
Now, boy, I've just mentioned that AI. What is AI? Oh, really? We don't know that AI stands for artificial intelligence. If that is really as much taking over the world, so everybody sitting here already knows that what is the AI, and you are saying that means you are accepting that AI is really taking over the world. So why you are coming in the institute then? Just sit at the home, go ChatGPT, go DeepSeek, and do. Then type over their prompt like give me motivation. Tell me to define this. Tell me this. AI cannot give you everything. Everything is suitable on their places. Why? If you will wear a shoes on your head, everybody will think you are just a foolish boy. Otherwise, there is nothing. You are saying AI is taking over the world. AI is taking over the minds of the people who are the lazy ones. Because I have never seen. So why you are coming to coaching then? Just go sit at home. Just sit and just keep prompting that give me motivation. Give me this. And AI will give you. So if you feel like you will get, so why you are still standing over there? You can just turn your face and there are stairs. You can go home. Because everything, the thing is that if the boy says book is there, if I am getting answer in 2 minutes, so why I should read a whole book? So by reading that whole book, you will not die over there. What will happen? That your knowledge will increase more. Now when your grade will be improved, you will already having a knowledge that what really stands it. And that's it. Why? And you are saying that AI is really taking over the world. Maybe that is taking over the people on the mindset of the people like you. Because when you see many big people, they are not using AI like their loved ones or that every time ChatGPT, every time everything. They are using their minds because till when you will use a ChatGPT, until you will have a problem about yourself, you will also tell to the ChatGPT that I am having that problem with my health, I am having a problem with my loved ones. Still you will go for a ChatGPT rather than sitting with the ones to whom you are loving, with whom you are having a problem. Still you will go for a ChatGPT. Again I am saying everything is suitable on your places. Why? Everything you cannot do suitable. You cannot just force or implement something where it is not needed. Why? That's it.
Okay, so why first of all you said me what is your question, and for me you are studying in front of me, you don't have a question. So me, if you know, always remember my word and my master word. If you have a great master, if you have a real master, if you have the one who are teaching by the heart, so you will never need to come to you the AI. You will never use to come the ChatGPT. You are saying to me, so you should go to our use AI and ChatGPT like this. So man, why I'm coming here? My mindset is not making like to use AI. My mindset is not making like use to use the ChatGPT, because I am coming here from here and I know what is going on. In that time I am having, in this time I am having great master. In this time I am having master, but in that time the one who are saying like that you AI is like this and like this. I say I don't say that AI is not better and that, but I say a time will come it will lead toward externalness. So man, first you don't remember this my word and you are coming like this time. So man, if they are having real master, if they are having teacher, they would never say to them, so why you have to use AI, you have to use ChatGPT. If I have no AI and GPT is there, so why I am coming here? I know already because I am coming here. I don't need AI because I am having master. Whatever he is going to be, I understand him. I become more than them. Whatever I want. So please keep your this question in your own self. Then ask the next one. Time it is so long.
Okay, now boy just changes his whole point of view. That's yeah, AI is leading towards which? Towards the destroyness. In the first presentation, you were saying that people are using this thing as much people are doing, and that's not the only one time. In practice class, you were also saying that robots are there, robots are being made, robots are taking over the jobs, robots are doing those other things. And in PTY, you are also having this. AI is being good. Your topic was also the same over there, and that time you were also saying AI is good, being good. AI is giving us this all the things. AI is giving, AI is taking, AI is leading us. So why you are letting something to lead you? You are not having your mindset, and still if you are saying that AI is leading you towards the destroyness, just leave that part. So how much you are going against the AI over there? So how much you have boycott your mobile phone? That's also a type of AI. So how much you have stopped using the YouTube, stopped using a Gemini, stopped using those all the things. Google, that is also launched by Gemini. So why you are doing those all the things? Why still you are stuck on those other things? While using it, still you are saying that yeah, AI is leading towards the destroyness. So I must accept that yeah, you are a foolish person, because now you are accepting that yeah, it is leading towards the destroyness, but still you are using that thing in your daily life over there. So why you are watching those all the things? Why you are using a social media? Now you say, if I'm not doing, so how you come to know if you are doing, I am doing or something else? So why you just say it by your mouth every time you say about robots, those all the things. And I mentioned you that thing also at that time, that yeah, if robots are being made and they are doing a job of 100 people, so at the making that one robot, there were the 500 engineers, there were the whole team of engineers, whole team of doctors and everything. They were working on those things, and then they developed this thing. So why you are just crying? You are just posting a problem and then you are not giving that thing as a solution. So this is just called as a whining. Why? There's nothing to be beat around the bush. Just be clear. You want to be on the positive side or you want to be on the negative side. Every time I see you, you are just rumbling on the line. Just say, I should be there, I should not go there, or I should not go there. First make your statement that yeah, which side you need to choose. Why? First choose yourself. That's it.
The question is not in you are asking about the way to define and like this AI for topic or there and you define like same. So man, the question is not in always ever my master, but the question is not in who defeated me first. The question is it who will stop me now. So this is the main question. And you are talking about you said in way to define AI like same. So man, if I say I don't say same. Now I also said about misuses and disuse, because I say people are using nowadays AI. Why they are using? Because in the daily time, in the future, they will too much problem. Because now you are mature, if students are mature, now they use their mind. Why they use it? Because they have to do hard work and they use money, and next time it will become ahead in their life. If they use AI, so what they will get the feedback? Just they will get early, they are in this problem. But in their time, this is not the mistake of the student, it's the mistake of their teacher, because this is the mistake of their guider, because they are not having the teach by the heart. If I talk about me, I am getting training by my master. Sir says, do you saw me that I am using AI, I am using ChatGPT? I never use it. If you said about this thing, so I said if you will get the one standard, because it say it is doing by myself. My mindset is making like that. If you are talking about the person, so there is a mistake of them. Everybody know wrong and right thing. What is wrong care what thing. If you will use on good way, if you will use on best way, you will get best result. And if you will use on wrong way, you will get wrong result. And the topic I also said in first answer I also did, but now I am also saying you are deaf and deaf because you are not listening my wife. But I said a time will come, technology, and I will lead you to understand this. This is my master, but this is not my word. So if you accept your master, so you are really tough. If you don't accept, so it is not my mistake. Thank you.